Ever wanted to take your mac and cheese to the next level? How about adding a bold Tex Mex twist? Spicy jalapenos, tangy salsa, and smoky seasoning all wrapped in creamy cheese. Well, by the end of this video, you'll have a mouth-watering dish that'll have your taste buds dancing. Let's get started. Alright folks, here's what you'll need to whip up this Tex Mex mac and cheese. Spoiler alert, it's only 5 ingredients. 2 cups of elbow macaroni. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, because you can never have too much cheese. 1 can, 10 ounces of diced tomatoes with green chilies for that zesty kick. 1 packet, 1 ounce of taco seasoning. 1 cup of milk for that creamy, dreamy sauce. Pro tip, the fresher the ingredients, the bolder the flavor. If you're ready for more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now let's keep it moving. Grab a large pot and bring it to a boil with salted water. About 6 cups of water should do. Toss in your 2 cups of elbow macaroni and let it cook for about 8 minutes or until it's al dente. Want to level up your mac game? Save half a cup of pasta water before draining. Trust me, this is like liquid gold for adjusting that sauce later on. Wait, did you ever imagine pasta water could be a secret weapon? Wild, right? Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Drain the pasta and set it aside. Now for the cheesy magic. In the same pot, because who's got time for extra dishes? Pour in 1 cup of milk and sprinkle in 1 packet of taco seasoning. Heat it over medium until it starts steaming. Slowly add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and stir constantly until you've got a creamy melted sauce that smells like heaven. The first time I made this, I got too excited and dumped all the cheese at once.
It didn't turn out so good.
So remember, slow and steady wins the race. Once your sauce is looking glorious, it's time to add back the 2 cups of cooked macaroni. Stir until every single noodle is drenched in cheesy goodness. Feel like the sauce is too thick? Here's where that reserved pasta water comes to the rescue. Add a splash until you reach your desired creaminess. Ever had mac and cheese that's so creamy it makes you question everything? You're about to. Taste test now. Want more kick? Toss in an extra pinch of taco seasoning. Too spicy? Add a little more milk to tone it down. This is your moment to shine. Next up, we're adding some flair. Take 1 can, 10 ounces of diced tomatoes with green chilies and gently fold it into the mac and cheese. This adds a bright, tangy punch to every bite. Feeling brave? Slice up some fresh jalapenos and throw them in too. It's like adding a dare to your dinner. Now for the grand finale. Spoon that Tex Mex mac and cheese into bowls and top with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or chopped green onions. Not only does this make the dish look like it's straight out of a restaurant, but the fresh herbs add a little zing to balance the richness. If you're loving these bold flavors, smash that subscribe button and share this with your foodie friends. Trust me, they'll thank you later. And there you have it, a fiery, creamy Tex Mex mac and cheese made with just 5 simple ingredients.